Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent, the most merciful. Welcome to the video lectures. This is lecture 14, class 3, subject English. Topic is reading comprehension, and I am your teacher, Miss Usma Shehzadi. Let's look at the contents first. Instructions, introduction of the topic, explanation, reading comprehension, answering the questions, and home task. There are some instructions for you students. Be ready, have your full concentration, take out your books and notebooks, your stationery items, and you must be supervised by your parents or your elder siblings. First of all, we need to know what is our reading comprehension. Comprehension means the understanding and interpretation of what is read. क्या मतलब होता है कॉम्प्रीहेंशन का? कॉम्प्रीहेंशन मीन्स समझना, अंडरस्टैंडिंग, एंड इंटरप्रिटेशन मीन्स उसको बयान करना अपने वर्ड्स में. किसे? व्हाट इज़ रेड, जो पढ़ा गया हो, जो पढ़ा है उसको समझना और अपने वर्ड्स में उसको डिस्क्राइब करने को कॉम्प्रीहेंशन कहते हैं. रीडिंग कॉम्प्रीहेंशन मीन्स रीडिंग अ टेक्स्ट, a story, a paragraph, and develop its understanding. अब रीडिंग कॉम्प्रीहेंशन का क्या मतलब होता है? इट मीन्स टू रीड अ टेक्स्ट, कोई भी टेक्स्ट पढ़ना, कोई पैराग्राफ है, कोई स्टोरी है, कोई एसे है, या कहीं से भी आपको कोई भी पीस ऑफ राइटिंग मिले उसे पढ़ना और फिर अपने अकॉर्डिंगली उसकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग को डेवलप करना, उसको समझना, अपने माइंड के साथ उसका एक कनेक्शन बिल्डअप करना. इसको कहते हैं रीडिंग कॉम्प्रीहेंशन. There are some key points to remember for reading comprehension. Students, when you start reading, the first and the foremost point to remember is read the passage carefully. Then underline the difficult words. For that, you should keep a lead pencil in your hand, and if you come across any word that is difficult, underline it. Then try to guess the meanings of those words which you underlined. You can use a dictionary also. After doing that, focus on the main points of the passage. Then read the questions carefully. What have been asked in those questions? Try to understand the questions for answering. You have to find out the answers of those questions from the passage. Okay students, let's start doing a reading comprehension passage. Here is a passage in front of you. Let's start reading. Almost everything about elephants is huge. There are largest animals that live on land. There are two kinds of elephants, the Indian elephants and the African elephants. A male African elephant can weigh up to 6,000 kilos. Elephants can be up to 4 meters tall. Elephants need to live in very large areas because they eat and drink so much. Every day elephants spend about 16 hours eating. They eat up to 200 kilos of food. They can drink over 250 liters of water An elephant's trunk can smell food, water, and predators. Elephants need very strong legs to support their heavy bodies. Elephant tusks are really long, curved teeth. Elephants use their tusks to dig food and water and to fight. Yes, kids, as we have gone through the paragraph, it is a very simple passage. There are very few difficult words in it. Let's look at the meanings of difficult words now. Now look at the difficult words. Huge, big, trunk, animal's body part. You can see it in the picture of elephant. It has a long tube-like structure that is starting from its head and nose. Predators, an animal that preys on others. An animal that kills other animals for food. Support, to help. Tusks, teeth. Elephant's teeth actually called tusks. Curved, bent. Now we will discuss how to understand questions. After reading the comprehension passage, we come across question answers. So it is very important to understand the question first of all. Look at the question number 1. How many kinds of elephants are there? How many? It means they are asking for quantity. Number 2, why elephants need to live in large areas? Why? This is the word that shows reason or purpose. Why elephants need to live in large areas? Number 3, what does elephant's trunk smell? What? What means object. यहाँ पे क्या पूछा गया है? क्या elephants की trunk जो है वो smell कर लेती है? It means answer would be in object or in noun. Noun या object हम यहाँ पे बताएंगे. Why elephants need strong legs? Again, it is reason or purpose. What are the tusks? What? Again, we will talk about object or noun. Now start doing the question answers. Number 1, how many kinds of elephants are there? The answer is there are 2 kinds of elephants, the Indian elephants and the African elephants. Number 2, why elephants need to live in large areas? Elephants को क्यों ज़रूरत होती है खुले बड़े एरिया में रहने की? The answer is elephants need to live in very large areas because they eat and drink so much. क्यों रहते हैं लार्ज एरियाज में? क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा खाते हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा पीते हैं. That's why they need to live in very large areas. Question number 3. What does elephant's trunk smell? The answer is elephant's trunk can smell food, water and predators. Predators, as we have discussed earlier, predators are those animals which kill other animals. वो एनिमल्स जो दूसरे एनिमल्स का शिकार करते हैं अपनी खुराक के लिए. ओके. नंबर 4, वाई एलिफेंट्स नीड स्ट्रॉन्ग लेग्स? स्ट्रॉन्ग लेग्स क्यों चाहिए होती हैं एलिफेंट्स को? एलिफेंट्स नीड वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग लेग्स टू सपोर्ट देयर हैवी बॉडीज. नंबर 5, व्हाट आर द टस्क्स? Elephants' tusks are really long, curved teeth. Elephants के tusks actually क्या होते हैं? They are long, curved teeth. Okay, students, these are the question answers that we have done after going through the reading comprehension passage. A home task for you students. There is a reading passage, and at the end there are questions. You are supposed to read the passage carefully and then answer the questions. Okay? You can do this exercise in your notebooks. At the end, I will only say stay home, stay safe, and take care of your family. Thank you.